welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber and welcome to The Vibe. If you are returning, what it do, boo, and welcome back. So I am super excited because for Christmas I got an air fryer, y'all. I have been seeing the air fryers all over the internet, really because I wanted to have fried chicken minus the oil. I'm gonna show it to you. Here it is. We are actually going to use it today. I'm going to make some chicken tenders and some shrimp inside of here. It says that it serves 2 to 3. I don't know how large it is. So it has a large pan, 3.2 quart capacity to bake, grill, roast, or fry. No preheating required. Okay. So on the back of here, it has like some features and things. So I'm gonna look at a couple of those features. Rapid air fry technology, dishwasher safe, built-in timer, and temperature selector from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it looks like down here that they got chips down here, I guess, that they made with potatoes. They got a cake down here. Okay, so we are actually going to go ahead and open it up before we make our way into the kitchen, because it ain't no point in taking this whole big old box into the kitchen. Like, we got enough boxes. Okay, so we got a little, I'm sure there's some recipes in here, so it's a little booklet, but we'll look at it in just a moment. Okay. It looks really big. It's much bigger than I was expecting it to be. Wow, this is really big. I'm so excited. And we also have this little book. Let's see. I'm sure there's instructions in here on how to use it. But we have the cookbook, which I knew would more than likely be in here. We got donuts, lava cake, sweet potato, Chinese pork. So there's some good recipes in here. So I'm gonna hold on to that for sure. But let's dive deep into the air fryer. Without further ado, I'm so happy. Let's go cook some chicken tenders. All right, so I'm actually gonna start with the shrimp. So I am making a coconut shrimp, and I'll show you here in a second. I'm gonna pull out some avocado oil. I use this avocado oil to kind of coat the inside of the air fryer before putting the shrimp on the inside. But for this recipe, you're just gonna need some breading. I use Progressive Italian seasoning breading. I'll show it later in the video. And just some coconut flakes, and literally that was it. I'm taking the shrimp, dipping it into the egg, I guess just to give it, you know, some hold, and then throwing it into the mixture that I have right here. So I'm gonna make sure that I get everything super arranged and nice on the inside of the pan, just because I did read with having an air fryer, you don't want to like overfill it or it won't cook thoroughly all the way through. So we're gonna hurry up and get through this little bit of process. I basically did 2 batches for the coconut shrimp, and then I did the chicken tenders right behind that. So they look so good. I mean, before you even cut it on, they looking juicy. Like I'm ready to eat them up. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Stop. So the setting for the air fryer is going to be at 400 degrees, and it's only for like 5 minutes. Literally 5 whole minutes. You might have to add a minute or two when you take them out, but after 5 minutes they should be good and ready to go. So we're gonna jump back over here and start on the chicken tenders. So those are the crumbs that I used. Filled it back up. While the shrimp is cooking, you want to go ahead and get it prepared. Make sure y'all season y'all chicken too. Don't be out here with no unseasoned chicken, okay? Same process. Throw it into the egg and then into just the breading. Here it's just the breading. There is nothing else added to it. I've already seasoned the chicken, and then I'm just doing this same 1-2-1-2 to get it ready to put into the air fryer. Y'all, when y'all see how good these chicken strips came out, baby, you would have thought I was a chef Boyar Amber, okay? So we got them arranged in there. I did coat the pan again with a little bit of olive oil before, starting it up. I'm gonna leave it at the 400 degrees, and these actually cooked in about 12 minutes. So about 6 minutes in, took them out, flipped them over, turned back on the air fryer, and voila, look at them. Crispity, crunchity, y'all, and they was juicy. Like, they were so good. The air fryer is king. Like, throw the stove in the trash. You don't need it. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of the chicken tenders, and then I'm gonna come right back. So boom. This was actually our New Year's dinner, so it's a little bit more than what I usually have. I did throw a little honey in there for my coconut shrimp just to dip it in. But y'all, can we get into the crispiness, the crunchityness? Look at that texture. Look at the goldenness of the chicken strips and the coconut shrimp. Like, wow. That's all I can say is I'm just so impressed by my work. Really, it was all the air fryer, nothing to do with me. But that is it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this meal prep video. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if it has helped you out, and make sure that you subscribe so that you can see more videos like this with meal prep tips. But I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.